Back to Royal Wood Flooring, and today we are in the FQ Story neighborhood on 9th Avenue in West Willetta. And it's another beautiful day. Today is August 17, 2020, and we're working on this beautiful little home here in downtown Phoenix, where we had to take out the old pine floors and install new oak floors. So as we pulled out the old pine floors, we found quite a few issues with the flooring, and there it is. That's the old pine floor. Not with the flooring, with the actual joists we had issues, and the issues were that the joists are very, very loose that go into the foundation of the house. There it is. There it is. That's the old chimney. That was removed. And here's the issues that we had. There it is. They're all loose. They all have to be resupported, reinforced, nailed down. So we have to replace this rotten one, termite rotten. And probably have to put a new joist all the way across. That one seems to be cut off. And we'll be lacing it to this wood floor and sanding and refinishing it to the match. And this is pretty much what we'll be doing. We'll be 2x4 system again, joist, then putting plywood on top. This way we keep it the same level and fortify it, strengthen it. That'll give us a whole new solid substance. That's what we have here. And that's an old basement there. I'll take a look, see what we can find down here. Well, we're not looking to find anything, we're just looking to see how the floors are. And there it is. As you can see, over the years, joists become really loose. Yeah. Adrian! So they'll be taking this chimney out, and instead of putting wood right on top of the joist, we'll be putting plywood in between the joist, then we'll go on top. That'll just solidify it. Go back up. Oh yeah, look at that big old beast. Probably $300-400 a month in an air conditioning. There it is. Let's go ahead. Check out the rest of the home. Nice chandelier. Look at that beautiful arch. And we do have a phone. No. And there's a wood floor will be installed. Nice arch. Nice barrel ceiling. Beautiful home. We'll do a follow-up update as soon as we're done. And that's another beautiful light fixture. So that's our project for today and this week. If you have any wood flooring needs, give us a call at 602-446-2613, or you can find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com. Thank you for watching our videos, and stay tuned for the follow-up video. Till next time.